How to attach files in Google Chat conversations. For this, open a browser that you prefer and search for Google Chat. You can also type in the URL of www.googlechat.com. Tap on the first suggestion shown from the result displayed. Now wait for your Google Chat to load. Now if you do not have a chat, simply tap on New Chat and find a contact or add a contact. If you do not have a space, tap on Find a Space to join right here at the bottom. Now to send a file, firstly select a conversation. At the bottom, you should find this upload arrow. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then it will display something like this. Go ahead and tap on the folder where you want to select a file from. Then once you have selected a file, tap Open. To write a description about the file, you can go ahead and type in something about the file, or you can just mention here is the file or the presentation for tomorrow, whatever is convenient for you. Once your file is completely uploaded, go ahead and tap on the Send button. And just like that, you have attached and sent files in Google Chat conversation. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.